Hi there, I'm Dr. Alyssa Shepherd, Holistic Pregnancy and Birth Coach. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of bonding with your unborn baby, meaning bonding before birth, or possibly even before conception, depending on where you're at in your journey. The notion of bonding with the baby before birth may seem a little weird at first. Or maybe it seems super self-evident, because if you're carrying a baby, how could you possibly not be bonded with that baby? But the two don't necessarily go hand in hand. You carry groceries or your backpack or your purse, but that doesn't mean that you're bonded with those items. Bonding is a process that happens intentionally. It involves the desire to connect and actually taking the steps to do so. The how-to of bonding with your baby before birth is what I teach in my course, Belly Bliss, the art and science of bonding with baby before birth. But today we're focusing on the benefits. Why would anyone want to do this? I think the most obvious reason that strikes me is that this is your child, and you have the opportunity to be in relationship with them now. You don't have to lose this time while you wait to give birth to get to know your little one. Having time with friends and family is one of the greatest gifts in life, so why wouldn't you take advantage of the time that baby is in utero to start getting to know each other, connecting and deeply bonding in mind, body, and spirit? If that answer was kind of like, meh, I'm going to have a lifetime with this child after birth, this is my time now, I'll offer you these additional benefits that have been observed in European studies of what happens when parents deeply intentionally bond with their baby before birth. First, there tends to be fewer C-sections, which is a big one, right? Currently, the C-section rate is about 33%. 1/3 of all births happen surgically, and this is way too high. So why would you not take the opportunity to get to know and bond with baby before birth, and in so doing, lower the risk of C-section for both of you? Second, when deep intentional holistic bonding happens before birth, there tends to be fewer preterm births, which is good for you and great for baby. Being premature is a challenging way to enter this world and can mean extra interventions, stays in the neonatal intensive care unit, and way more stress for your new family. Third, mothers who deeply bond with their baby before birth tend to have lower rates of postpartum depression. Now, to be sure, postpartum depression can be multifactorial and complex, and I'm not saying that bonding with baby before birth will solve all the myriad factors that can contribute to PPD. But what's been observed so far in Europe, where moms and babies have intentionally bonded before birth, is that there's less postpartum depression when they do. Lastly, there's a really strong bond between mother and infant and a reciprocity between the two, meaning they're strongly attuned to one another in body, mind, and spirit. And this has a positive impact on confidence while parenting. It's so common to see new parents, even if this isn't their first child, but just a different child than their previous, feeling doubt and worrying and trying to remember, is this normal? And turning to good old Dr. Google for some reassurance. Wouldn't it be kind of nice to skip that, or at least have the intensity of the doubt and the worrying and the 2 a.m. Google searches toned down a notch or two? So there you have it. Rationale and benefits for your brain and heart to chew on about bonding with baby and why bonding with baby is important and beneficial for both of you. If you have questions or comments, you're welcome to comment directly below this video or check the video description for how to contact me for more support. Before we go, I want to thank you for watching and invite you to click the subscribe button and share this with anyone who might find it beneficial. Thanks again. Bye for now.